start our revision class?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the block? Anyone should answer. Block. Manasvi. What is the name of the block?
Our state.
Okay, fine. Anybody our state with the capital?
State is Telangana. Capital is Hyderabad.
Now you should tell the spelling of Telangana. Tell spelling ఏంటి? L.
L. A L G
Last spelling. A.
L.
Sir, clap for Chakri. Okay, anybody tell me the spelling of Telangana?
Telangana.
Okay. Then Hyderabad. Ganesh.
HYD AR
ERA.
ERA
Band.
BAD.
Very good. Clap for Ganesh. Now shall we start with the glossary?
Yes.
Okay, vegetation Priya. Vegetation.
Vegetation. Time to cut and grow crops. Plants and trees which grow in a region.
Region. Okay, same thing. Priya.
Plants and trees grow in a region.
Which grow in a region. What is region spelling?
REGION.
Okay. What Lakshmika is going to say? Vegetation spelling, huh? What is the meaning of vegetation? Fast. Manasvi.
Plants and trees which grow in region.
In a region. Okay, same thing. Vikund.
Plants and trees which grow in a region.
Delta. Manasvi. Manaswini.
A low flat area of land where a river divides into smaller rivers and goes into the sea.
Very good. Clap for Manaswini. Anyone say? Soumya. I'm taking it.
A low flat area of land where a river divides into a smaller river and goes into a sea.
Yes. Clap for Soumya. Anyone? Vikund.
A low flat area of land where a river divides into smaller river and goes into the sea.
Very good. Clap for them. Next one. Step well. Manasvi. Step
Or
well.
a pond
Okay.
which can be reached by
Climbing down steps. It is the answer is there. Wait, let me just tell you. The answer is there in your word only. Step well. You have to go down by climbing the steps. That is your glossary. Anyone can tell? Vidyumna. You can't say everything. You have to wait.
A well or a pond
Can be reached
can be reached by
climbing down
or
steps.
down steps.
Hannah, step well.
A pond
Step well. A well. Hold your hands. A well or pond. Have you reached by climbing down steps? That is your answer. Say it properly. A well or pond which can be reached. You have to learn. Done? Next one. Salt desert. Sudha Viriksha. Sudha Viriksha.
A part of a desert where it is covered with salt and other minerals and shines under the sun.
Okay. Little points you missed out, but it's okay. Salt desert. Yes. Now I'll ask you all the 4 lines. You have to tell me all the 4. Vegetation. Start fast.
Plants and trees, plants and trees which grow in a region.
Salt desert.
Part of a desert which
Covered with.
covered with salt and
Done. Other minerals.
other minerals use all
No. Can anyone tell me? Manaswini.
salt desert.
Yes.
Part of a
Desert.
covered with a salt and other minerals usually shining white under the sun.
Very good. Clap for her. Dash has many states and union territories. What is the filling in blank? Yes.
India.
Okay. You just define what is a state.
A state is a small part of a country.
What do you want to say, Ganesh? Huh?
That answer.
Okay, say.
A state is a small part of a country.
Very good. Now, shall I ask the state and the capital?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyansh. Priyansh, capital of Tamil Nadu.
Chennai.
Very good. Assam. Priyansh, Assam.
Assam is
Okay, say.
Dispur.
Spelling.
Dispur.
What do you want to say? Gandhinagar. Gandhi plus Nagar.
GANDHI Gandhinagar.
Srinagar colony, Madhura Nagar.
NA
Dilshuk Nagar. Nagar.
Gandhinagar.
Gar.
G
Gar. Can anyone say the spelling? Soumya. Say it next. After
GANDHINAGAR.
Okay, Sasi, do it.
GANDHINAGAR.
Now you tell me this also. Okay. Define state. State. A state.
A state is a smaller part
Small part.
of a country.
Tamil Nadu. Capital.
Chennai.
Spelling.
CHENNI.
AI. Okay, I'll ask Manaswini. Say better. You wrote Tamil Nadu, right? And Chennai. You wrote about beach and other things now in the worksheet. Can you say that? Say.
Marina Beach.
Okay, fine. Sit down, no problem. Can anyone say about your state and the importance?
Capital is Hyderabad.
You have to say what is attracting tourist places or what is about Telangana. What you like about it. Ganishka. Say.
Charminar.
What is it? Charminar is what?
A tourist place.
Okay, fine. Soumya.
Ma'am,
Ah.
Telangana has a famous place called Golconda.
Okay. Fine. Dash is a famous dish made of a special type of crop grown in Uttarakhand.
Ma'am,
Ah, yeah.
chainsaw.
Spelling.
CHAINSOO.
Okay, Soumya.
CHAINSOO.
What is it?
Chainsaw.
Chainsaw. Okay. What do you want to say? We are done with the revision. Anybody wants to say anything more?
Covered with salt and other minerals shining under the sun.
Usually shining under the sun. Very good. Delta.
A low platform
Flat area.
of land.
A low.
A low platform of land and of river divided it into smaller rivers and poured into the sea.
Very good. Vegetation.
Plants and trees grow in a region.
Very good. Stuff well.
Pond or a well
Which can be
climbed
reached.
climbing downstairs.
Very good. Clap for your children. Okay. Now I have given it for revision. You have done it very nicely. I'll give you one question. You have to write it in the notebook. You all clap for yourself. Thank you, children.
Thank you.